Matapos ang tila kaipalan na pahayag na ito ni Senator Ping Lacson, kung saan tila umandar na naman ang kasipsipan nitong si Ping sa layuning makuha ang simpatya ng mga kaanak at kaapu-apuhan ni Tomas Kluma, na ayon kay Ping Lacson sa kanyang argumento ay itong si Tomas Kluma di umano ang nakadiskubre, umoccupy, nagmay-ari at nagdonate ng Kalayaan Island Group sa ating gobyerno.
Is your husband a direct descendant of Tomas Kloma?
My husband, sir, his mother's mother is cousin of Tomas Kloma, sir.
Please extend my regards, and we'd like to thank him for discovering and occupying
Yes,
and
sir.
owning and donating to the Philippine government the Kalayaan Island Group. That's all, Mr. Chairman.
Bunga ng kaipalan at kasipsipan na pahayag na ito ni Ping Lacson ay ibinao ni Senator Rodante Marcolita sa kahihiyan itong si Ping matapos siyang pangaralan, lekturahan at turuan ni Senator Rodante Marcolita sa tunay na kasaysayan ng Kalayaan Island Group sa harap pa mismo ng sinasabi ni Ping na asawa ng direct descendants ni Tomas Kluma.
Colonel Kloma, so you are married to a descendant of Mr. Tomas Kloma?
Yes, sir.
Senator Lacson made reference to his being the one who discovered Kalayaan Island Group.
Kalayaan
Or
Island
separately. Was that supported by reliable accounts?
Based on the stories I had from my husband, and I did a little research about it, sir.
I'm not referring, Colonel, to the stories. Is this supported by historical facts?
I have seen and read some references about it, sir.
Did you know that when Mr. Tomas Kloma made a Freedom Declaration in 1956, several countries objected, like United Kingdom, the United States of America, China did also, Japan, Australia, and the Philippines. Did you know that?
Based on my reading, sir, I only read countries like Vietnam, China, France.
Yes, did you know that these countries objected to his declaration?
Yes, sir.
According to the objectors, Kalayaan Island Group at that time is no longer treated as terra nullius, which means that
Nobody's island, sir.
it is not unoccupied and it was not undiscovered. Kaya po, pati ang ating bansa vigorously objected. And that is why it is not correct to assume that he discovered it, because several other discoverers prior to his time. Do you know that in 1837, the United Kingdom already made a notification claim? And in 1933, Japan also made the same notice of claim prior to the declaration of Mr. Thomas Kloma in 1956. Meaning, marami na po talaga ang nakakita, nakadiscover ng Kalayaan Island Group. So, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-donate dahil inobjekan po ng ating bansa mismo. And there is no record also that his donation was formalized by the arbitral ruling. That is not on record. Just for the record.
Sa naging palitan na ito sa pagitan ni Senator Rodante Marcolita at Ping Lacson ay naituwid ang ating maling paniniwala kaugnay sa kasaysayan ng Kalayaan Island Group na itinuro sa ating mga mag-aaral sa paaralan na bunga lang pala ng tsismis at kathang isip, kung saan nagbunga ng maling paniniwala sa maraming mga Pilipino sa loob ng mahabang kapanahunan. Salamat kay Senator Rodante Marcolita sa pagtutuwid sa kamalian sa isang bahagi ng ating kasaysayan.